If you are looking for a home in the west end of Toronto and specifically looking in the Junction / Wallace Emerson neighborhood, then you're definitely going to want to watch this home tour video. That's because we found this amazing gem, this updated townhouse in this area that's only going for $1.15 million, which is way below the average in this neighborhood. So you're definitely going to want to see this one because it has amazing upgrades, it has a great layout, and of course it's in a great neighborhood. So who wouldn't want this beautiful home? So let's go check it out right now. Tucked into a quiet, family-friendly enclave off of Gary Avenue, this home is part of a charming row of townhouses with built-in garages and private driveways, something that's becoming harder to find in this price range. You've got parking for two, direct garage access, and you're facing west, which means lovely afternoon light. Now, the main floor. Inside, you're greeted by engineered hardwood floors, flat ceilings with pot lights, and spacious open concept layout. The living and dining area flows right into its modern kitchen. Quartz, countertops, marble backsplash, deep double sink, and 2020 LG appliances. And then, right off of the main floor is a stylish two-piece powder room, fully upgraded. And check this out. The walkout leads to an extended deck, perfect for barbecues and summer evenings. You're really gonna enjoy this one. As we move upstairs, you're going to find two generous bedrooms with beautiful hardwood floors and full closets, great for kids, guests, or a work from home setup. Another great feature is that they share a bright 4-piece bathroom located conveniently between both rooms. Another thing that you're going to notice is that it is very bright. There are lots of windows everywhere, lots of light seeping in, which is amazing, and you're going to have that in every single bedroom. Now let's move up to the third floor, which is your private retreat. The primary bedroom spans nearly 16 feet, has a walk-in closet, and a beautifully finished in-suite with modern fixtures and clean lines. It is a quiet, sun-filled space with room for a reading corner or home office setup. And of course, your own private little deck, which is a nice little touch to this private retreat. Now it's time to move down to the finished basement, which was completed in 2023 and features lighting, beautiful lighting, and soundproofing, making it ideal for music lovers, content creators, or anyone who values peace and quiet. There's also a fourth bedroom down here and a laundry tucked away in the back. So now that you've seen the house, let's quickly take a look at the neighborhood that's around this beautiful home, which is the Wallace Emerson and Junction area. There is so much to do around here, plus great transportation. You're going to have access to subways, to buses, the Up Express. There is truly so many different ways to get around, plus your car, of course. It is very functional. Another great thing about this neighborhood is that there's so many parks, whether small ones, big ones, you have parks all around you. Plus, not to mention how many places you have to go eat, cafes, restaurants, all of that good stuff. There are so many options around here. And it is also a family-friendly area where you will see a lot of kids playing at the park and so forth. Gary Avenue especially has been a really up-and-coming place with tons of new spots opening all the time. And of course, you have the new Galleria that will be opening soon. And like always, if you guys are looking to move to Toronto, reach out to us. All of our contact information is down below. And if you want to see more amazing Toronto videos, then watch this one next. And until next time, guys, see you around the city and God bless.